I don't know what I have, but anyway. Yeah, go stand over there. It's hot. I'm going to take pictures. How did you get one? Yeah, Sandy had to do that. Get close and take a picture. Both.
Thanks for sitting down. I came and secured this table at 5 o'clock. My God, this is my table.
Aww. Good.
Yeah, I'm a hero.
Good. Is that your whole family there?
No, just some friends, girlfriends.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I just came out to take a look at the boats and get some pictures.
Yes, absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
You can vote for People's Choice, too.
Yeah, I don't recognize most of the boats who they belong to.
Oh, geez, I don't recognize any of them.
It's hard to choose which one's the best.
I like the hat. Santa hat.
The one with the white, yeah, I wonder whose boat that is. Yeah, that one's, I wish that one would come up here so we get in the picture.
You live here in the lake?
Yeah.
Oh, me too.
Yeah.
I'm Jenny.
Jenny? Good to meet you. Nori Mustard?
Hey, Bubs, you know what this is?
Oh, here comes the boat.
Are they really singing to Tempe?
Well, my camera's useless.